How to delete Android backup from Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you running out of your space on your Google account? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete Android backup directly from your Google account. It's quick, easy, and will free up some space. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So for this, I'm gonna use the Chrome. So what I'm gonna do is just simply open the Chrome by tapping on it. Once the Chrome is open, I'm gonna simply tap on the profile icon shown on the top right side, and it will guide me to the settings page. What I'm gonna do is now simply tap on the profile icon again. Now I'm gonna simply scroll down and tap on manage your Google account, and it will guide me to my Google account. Once I am in my Google account, I'm gonna simply tap on data and privacy. Once I tap in my Google data and privacy and simply scroll down until I see the option named content saved from my Google services and simply gonna tap on it. And here you will see the list of all the backup linked to your Google account, including the backups from your Android devices. Now, to delete the backup of Android devices, what you're gonna do is simply tap on delete backup data. And the confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the backup. Tap delete to confirm and the backup will be removed from your Google account. But remember, once you delete your backup, it's gone for good. So make sure that you don't need any of the data before you confirm the deletion. And that's it for the video. Now you know how to delete your Android backups directly from the phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.